What's up, guys? It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. But before I do, can I say this? I've been to a couple of events lately, and I've had a couple of people to come up to me and to tell me how much they appreciate the instructionals, me doing the instructionals. And I want to say I appreciate that so much because it really encourages me and let me know that I am on the right track. So for all those individuals, when you see me out and you come up to me, thank you so much. I appreciate you because I'm talking to this camera. I don't have an audience. I don't have a class. So that really motivates me, encourages me, and it lets me know that I'm on the right track. So thank you so much for showing your love and letting me know how much you appreciate the instructional. And yes, I'll keep them coming. Thank you so much. Also, if you are interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please contact me at 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, I will post the music. We can dance together at the end of this video. Also, I would love to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience. It is a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. You have more than enough time to get ready, but please go ahead and register and book your room. All details is at www.LMIUNOLA.com. So guys, so while I was out at this event, they had this song came on, and I was like looking at the line dance, and I was like, you know, that could be my line dance. That's cute. So I went up to the choreographer, and I'm like, I'm gonna steal your dance. That could be my dance. That could be mine. And she like, huh? So I'm like, so do you have it on YouTube? Did you post it on YouTube? She said yes. So that means I can't steal it, y'all, but I can teach it. So check out ALICIA Williams on YouTube. Go to her channel and also subscribe while you're there, okay? Check her out. The name of the line dance is Headsprung. I can't steal your dance, but I can teach it, okay? So here guys, let's go. So it's a one wall dance, and once you learn the music, the steps go with the music. Okay, so you're gonna start with alternating kickball change. Start with the right. Kickball change, kickball tap, kickball change, kickball tap, kickball change, kickball tap, kickball change, kickball tap. So I tap down so I can alternate between the right and the left. So let me turn this way so you can see it. Kickball change, kickball tap, kickball change, kickball tap, kickball change, kickball tap, kickball change, kickball tap. So that tap is important because it allows you to make that transition between the right side, the left side, okay? Now, let's add on. We're gonna do a rock recover. We're gonna turn back with our right shoulder, making a half turn. Rock, recover, triple step back. That's a half turn. Then we're gonna do another one, but we're gonna stay here. On the left, rock, recover, triple step. And we're gonna repeat that step. We're gonna rock up with the right, turn back. Rock, recover, half turn, triple step, and stay here, up, left, right, left, right, left. So we basically did the same thing twice, making a half turn, and it brings us back to this wall. Let's do that again with the rock, recover. Rock, recover, triple step back. That's a half turn. Up, left, right, stay here, left, right, left. Then we do it again, right up, rock, recover, half turn, triple step, up, left, right, triple step. So it's not a trick, but the key to that is doing your footwork. Do those triple steps, okay? when you do a half turn. All right, so let's go back to the top, doing an alternating kickball change. Now, don't forget about your taps, and then we do that rock recovery. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, kick. 1 and 2, 3, tap, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, tap, 8, right, 1 and 2, 3, tap, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, tap, 8, rock, 1, 2, half, 3 and 4, left, 5, 6, triple, 7 and 8, rock, 1, 2, back, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Did you get it? Now, we're going to move side to side, okay? It's like a lende or shuffle to the right with a rock recover. Right, rock, left, right, half, right, left. So we made a half turn again. And we're going to take that step, that lende or shuffle to the right with the right rock recover, and do that half turn back. Right, rock recover, left, right, turn right, left. Yes? Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, shuffle right, lende. 1 and 2, back, 3, rock, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. Okay, there you go. So let's go back to the top and add that part. Okay, here we go. Kickball change with the tap. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, tap, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, tap, 8, right, 1 and 2, 3, tap, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, rock, 1, 2, half, 3 and 4, 5, 6, stay here, 7 and 8, rock, 1, 2, half, 3 and 4, left, 5, 6, 7 and 8, lende, 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5 and 6, half, 7, 8, lende, 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Nothing hard so far, right? It isn't hard. So now we're going to roll back with the right. 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how I'm doing my shoulder? I don't know if she put that in, but I'm putting it in. So you rolling back to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to start moving forward. And we do a skate. This is my favorite part. Right, left, left, right, left, right. Skating up. Right, left, left, right, left, right. When you lift, I want you to pony or hood walk, which is a triple step. Right, left, easy half. Right, left. Okay, did you see that? So we did a pony or hood walk or triple step back. Right, left, walk easy. Right, left. No triple step, okay? From here, you do that roll back again. Right, tap, left, tap, right, tap, left, tap. Yes, you're right. We're going to skate up. Right, left, left, right. Pony back or hood walk with that triple step. Right, left. Easy. Right, left. From here, you're going to go back to the top with your kickball change. Yes, that's the dance. So let me go over that's the first rotation. The second rotation is pretty much the same. The only thing you're going to do is when you shuffle to the right, that lende or that shuffle to the right with the rock recover, you're going to do that twice. And that's it. Okay? So that is the meat of the dance. And then she changes it up a little bit according to the song. And I'm going to get to that. It is so cute and so easy. So let's go back to the top. What's the top? The kickball change. Right, left, right, left. Then the rock recover with the half turn. Rock recover and stay here. The rock recover, half turn, rock recover. I'm just reviewing. Then we're going to shuffle to the right with the rock recover and turn back, half turn, and we do that again. Then we roll back to the right, we roll back to the left, we roll back to the right, and we roll back to the left. Yes, then we start skating up. Right, left, lift. Make sure you lift that leg. Lift, then you right, left, left. Easy half. Right, left. Roll back to the right, roll back to the left, roll back to the right, to the left, and we skate up again and come back to the front. Okay? So, let's go. 5, 6, 7. Kick it out. 1 and 2, 3, tap, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, tap, 8, right, 1 and 2, 3, tap, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, rock, 1, 2, triple 3 and 4, left, 5, 6, 7 and 8, rock, 1, 2, half, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, Lindy, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, half, 7, 8, Lindy, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, tap. 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. Right, 1, 2, 3, tap. 4, left, 5, 6, skate it up. It's 1, 2, 3, lift, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hood. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, tap. 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. Right, 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, skate it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pony 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. We done. Now, when you get ready to start over again, you're going to do the exact thing. The same exact thing. The only thing that changes up, when you do your Lindy, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, Lindy, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do it again. It's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, Lindy, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. That is your second rotation. That's on everything else stays the same. Okay? So your first rotation, I just showed you every step you need to know. Your second rotation is the same thing as the first rotation. It's just when you get to that Lindy, just do it front, back wall, front and back wall. That's it. And continue to dance as I taught it. Okay? Let's move on. So now we're going to go. We roll right, left, cross. Right, left, left. Roll right, left, cross. Right, left, left. Rock, recover on the right. Rock, recover on the left. It's kind of like a dig. Rock, recover on the right. Then rock, recover on the left. Then they're going to call out the fellas. Right up, rock. Right, left, left. Right up, left up, jazz square. Right, left. Rock, recover on the right. Rock, recover on the left. 2 more. Rock, recover on the right. Then on the left. Okay? Now, let's do that again. So it says, ladies, you will right, left, jazz square. Right, left. Roll right, left, jazz square. Right, left. Dig on the right, dig on the left with a triple, then on the right, then on the left. Then he's going to say, fellas, you go pimp walk, jazz square. Right, left. Pimp walk, jazz square. Right, left. Dig on the right, dig on the left, dig on the right again, and dig on the left. From there, you're going to do what I've taught you already. Roll back to the right, roll back to the left, and you know why, because of what the song is going to say. Roll back, and then roll back. Then skate up, skate, left, skate, pony, right, left, easy half, right, left, roll back to the right, roll back to the left, roll back to the right, You got it. Roll back to the left. Yeah, we skating up. Step on that right. Right, left, left, step, left, step, right, opponent, right, left, easy half, right, left, Now, from here, the song's still going. You're going back to the top. Kick, ball, change, kick and tap. Start the dance over until it ends. And that's it. Headsprung. Headsprung, yeah, that could be my dance, but it's ALICIA Williams dance. Kudos, Lisa, out of ATL. Guys, make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. If you've never been, I encourage you to come. And you know what? Do your homework first. Ask around. Like, have you ever been to the NOLA Southern Experience? Okay, do your homework. Come check it out. We would love to have you July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now, and you can book your room right now. I'm telling you, don't wait. It's going to sell out. www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank y'all guys so kindly for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.